Hi guys, for this episode what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about how do you use the functions inside of Class Dojo. We will be using Class Dojo a lot this year to post videos of your work, to post pictures of your work, and also as a way to do some cool behavior things and for that and for your space with Mrs. Brewer. So I want you to be comfortable using this platform. So let's go ahead and let's show you what you're going to do. When you get on your browser, what you're going to need to type in up in the address bar is dojo.com. It will bring you up to a page that looks like this. Now, sign in as a student. What you're going to do is you're going to come down, you're going to click student. And then if it comes up with this QR reader, you're actually going to click over on the side where it says login with Google because you have a Google account. We're going to use it. It's the easiest way to get you onto the platform. All right, so sign in with Google. Now when this pops up, this will be really simple and easy, because all you should have to do after you've logged in with the class code the first time, which Mrs. Brewer will walk you through how to do on the first couple of days of school. Once you've done that, then every other time it should probably just have you click on your name and pop you right in to Dojo, or it'll just pop you right in. So as you can see, I'm logged in as a student right now. And you have two main tabs on Class Dojo. On Class Dojo, you've got your home and you've got your portfolio. Now, when you are going in to do a project for Mrs. Brewer, what you will need to do is you'll probably need to be in your portfolio tab. And sometimes Mrs. Brewer will post assignments for you. As you can see, there's some to-dos here that maybe just didn't quite get put in the right way. And some of them are pictures, some of them are videos. It shows you exactly what you need to do for each of them. I'm going to go back to the home so you can see the different tools that we have to use here. What we will need to do now is, let's say I want to post a photo of something. I would click on the photo link. You may have to allow it to use your camera. And then it'll bring in where you can take a picture. And, oh, there I am. I can go ahead, click the button, and it would take a photo of me. And now I can add a caption. If I need to draw something on the photo, I can choose to do that as well. It also looks like they have a new function now where you can actually add narration. So you can actually talk about what's in your picture. Okay, I'm going to go back. I don't want to save that. The other tools that we have is we have video. Video works the exact same way as photo, except it's going to allow you to take a video. The draw tool brings you into a blank page, and you can use the pencil. You can change the color. So if you wanted to draw, let's draw a flower here. Maybe I read a book about flowers, and so now I want to draw a picture to tell about what I read. I could go ahead and I could draw my flower. And we'll give it a stem and a leaf. All right, and so now I would just have my drawing. I can add a caption down below. If I make a mistake, it's got an eraser. It also lets you have a text box so you can actually add text. Once again, you can voice dictate what your caption is as well. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to back out of that as well. And we're going to look at the other thing, the other tool that we have here to use on Dojo. So back to home. I also have where I can attach a file. So maybe you finished something and it was a file. You can go ahead and you can turn that file into me using the file. and it can be an image or a file, and you would just click and go from there. The other is a journal entry. So this just works just like what Google Docs would, and I could type in whatever I want to say. Hello, Mrs. Brewer. I hope you are, having a great day. Okay. And then I would just turn hand in. You'll notice this big blue button is up in the corner of all of them. That is what you use to turn any of those in. All right, once again, I'm backing out because I don't want to save that. So, the last thing on Dojo that is fun, and Mrs. Brewer will let you do this once in a while, is go in and customize your monster. You would do that by clicking on the pencil up here. And you can change the body style, you can change the color, the eyes change, the mouth changes, and the feet change. So you just do that by clicking the different arrows until you get what you want. I'm going to put this one back the way it was. Maybe. Okay. We'll reset it, and there we go. So that would be how I would do that. You hit save at the bottom when you're done. All right, I hope this kind of helps walk you through the Class Dojo platform. It's pretty simple to use, but we will use this a lot. But as always, if you need anything, please reach out to me, and I will be happy to help make sure that you know what to do.